Well, former President Donald Trump spent today in a New York City courtroom as a trial began on civil fraud charges filed by the state attorney general. Astrid Martinez of CBS is live in New York tonight. And boy, Astrid, Trump came out swinging.
Yes, he did, Paula. Good afternoon. Well, the judge that's presiding over this case already ruled that the former president, Donald Trump, did commit fraud in his business dealings. Now, should that ruling be upheld, the former president will be forced to give up several of his properties in the state. Mr. Trump did show up in person, and he said he is here to fight for his name and his reputation.
We're going to be here for months with a judge that already made up his mind. It's ridiculous.
Former President Donald Trump slammed the civil lawsuit against him, his family, and his company as the trial got underway in a Manhattan courtroom Monday.
Donald Trump and the other defendants have committed persistent and repeated fraud.
New York Attorney General Letitia James brought the case, accusing Trump, his sons, and the Trump Organization of inflating the value of properties by hundreds of millions of dollars while pursuing favorable bank loans.
No matter how powerful you are, no matter how much money you think you may have, no one is above the law.
But Trump and his lawyers argue the disclaimers made on the financial statements make clear the values listed are just estimates.
We have a clause in the contract. It's like a buyer beware clause. It says when you take a look at the financial statement, don't believe anything you read. This is up front.
This trial is one of the many legal headaches for the GOP presidential frontrunner, who has been indicted 4 times since March. Trump maintains he has done nothing wrong and that all these cases are politically motivated.
If I weren't leading in all the polls, or if I weren't running, I wouldn't have any of these cases. I wouldn't be seeing you this morning.
Prosecutors are seeking a ban on Trump doing business in New York and $250 million in penalties. Now, this non-jury trial is expected to last until December. David, back to you.
All right.